behind that dog.
Behind what dog?
Behind that white dog who's behind the truck.
The squirrel.
Yeah.
Where the squirrel at?
I got behind a tree hiding for the dog.
Go get him with the cheese.
Okay.
Get him. How do you get a squirrel?
And slap the dog with the cheese.
You slap the dog with the cheese?
You got me. And the dog can't eat it.
Oh. What's that squirrel doing?
I'm here hiding from the dog.
Why?
Because the trucks are scaring from the dog.
Oh.
Scared of?
A dog.
You're scared of dogs?
Yeah.
Let's say they're scared of dogs.
I'm scared of dog. And trucks scared of elephants. And trucks scared of dog.
I think you're right. I've seen a dead squirrel where a dog be all the time.
That's a dancer. Mommy,
Okay, what is that squirrel doing, bro?
he's eating the spider web.
He eating the spider web.
Mama, and we can have no celebration. and I can celebrate now.
Why?
Because that what I fell in that spider webs.
We can still celebrate because we have that tree, we have that tree. We have that tree back there, so we still have a lot to share.
Mom, I fell in that tree.
Yes, he's eating it.
He ate the spider webs.
That's gonna be unhealthy.
Is there
for you.
lizards?
Crabs don't eat spider webs. Only spiders eat spider webs.
No, spiders make spider webs. But spiders eat spider webs.
I don't think anybody's supposed to eat spider web, Jai Jai.
Spider, tin buns and crabs don't eat spider webs.
Oh, yeah?
And them don't eat spider webs.
Who told you that?
Oh, my daddy.
Oh. Your daddy is just the smartest man. He hecka intelligent.
Look at this dirty everything. I just told you. What is that thing doing? It's really messing up. Look at it. What? But whatever, it was only $1. And we got a lot of it.
You squirrely, squirrely.
Say, come and tell the squirrel, come and get your cheese.
Tell him.
Well, come to your cheese.
Say, here, squirrely, squirrely.
Here, Curly, come to your cheese.
Looking like your dad, boy.
Wait, set.
Quirly, quirly. Yeah, quirly, quirly. Yeah, quirly, quirly.
Go get it. It ain't gonna do nothing to you. He's smaller than you are. So he ain't gonna do nothing. Go like that. What? Then you gotta go give it to him. I don't know, wherever you threw it. Oh. Around a tree.
You scared him.
I told you he ain't gonna do nothing to you. He's smaller than you are.
Hecka drool just came out his mouth.
No, you better not. Get over here. Jai, you not listening?
Uh-oh. Oh, okay. He reappeared, world.
Thank you.
I was gonna have to stop it. We didn't want no child abuse.
Thank you. Thank you for listening.
Would have been evident.
I did this. You said it powered. He powered me.
He's smaller. John, he is smaller.
Mom,
Come on.
that's what it powered, and I am big like Nancy. This is like Navia, and that truck is Nana.
Nano is smaller.
Yeah.
Great job. You got 2 definitions. Awesome.
He said, mm-hmm.
You got different worms.
Hmm?
You got different worms. I should eat.
Some worms.
No, we don't eat worms.
I want to eat worms
Why?
because I'm a spider.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Spiders don't eat worms. I think they eat other
Flies.
insects.
They eat
They eat
flies.
flies.
Ugh. That was nasty.
Disgusting.
Check this.
Hey, what's your name?
Cartoon.
What's your first name?
Cartoon.
No, that's your last name. What's your first name?
Cartoon.
No,
How old are you?
KYH.
Not cartoon.
How old are you?
I don't know.
How many brothers do you have?
I have one only.
You only have one brother? What's his name?
Chandler.
Do you have a brother named Little John?
Yeah.
So then how many brothers is that?
Chandler, Chandler.
Uh-huh. And then isn't there one more?
Oh yeah.
Okay, what's his name?
I don't know. My brother named Nate.
Your brother's name is Nate. Okay. All right. Well, that's cool, but I don't... do you have another one? There's one.
I don't have another brother.
Do you have a real tall brother?
You do.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What's his name?
What's his name?
He's by the door.
It starts with a J also.
Ah! I need to call the police
What? Why? Why you gotta call the police?
because my brother is attacking me.
He said because my brother's attacking me.
Do you have any sisters?
Yeah.
What's their name?
Her name's Sassy.
Oh. Do you have any more?
I don't have no more sisters.
Okay.
I have one, only one.
Oh, okay. I mean, that's cool. Did you come up with your brother name though?
Yeah, Shanley, he breaks on the door. Iffy.
How about the tall one that wears glasses?
My mom.
Wear glasses, bro. If anything, you should have said your dad. He's tall.
Like, I got wear glasses. Shanley wears glasses.
What about Jovan?
She wants to wear glasses.
Jovan does wear
That's your
glasses.
brother?
She wants in my brother, and she wants don't wear glasses.
Oh, excuse me.
All right. We need to go work out. Where you